Now, I know I said we will not cover all of the different altcoins, which is true, but I do want to quickly go over some of them you should be familiar with. The following altcoins are currently listed as top ones in terms of popularity and public holdings. So it will give you a basic idea of what stands behind the alternative Bitcoin currencies. We will naturally start with Ethereum, which is a part Bitcoin, the biggest and most important digital currency. Ethereum technology allows building decentralized applications such as financial, social networking, and messaging platforms. Due to its strength and stability, most exchanges allow you to use it as an alternative to Bitcoin, as the basic coin which is traded against other altcoins. Ripple. The Ripple provides value by offering an effective international payment system. In opposed to many other cryptocurrencies, the Ripple is centralized and does not use mining for transfers confirmation. Therefore, it spends less computing power, which allows it to focus on bringing value in the shape of faster, more secured, and lower cost transactions. Bitcoin Cash. The huge increase in popularity of Bitcoin led to a situation when the fees are higher and the processing time is slower. As a result, in August 2017, some people within the Bitcoin community decided to split the currency by creating a hard fork. Basically, what happened is that they created a new cryptocurrency with the purpose of having a bigger blockchain and faster transactions. That new currency called Bitcoin Cash, and today it's already one of the largest ones. Another very interesting currency which is used for receiving digital cash is Cardano. Some call it the Ethereum of Japan, as its technology also allows building decentralized apps, mainly financial ones. Not surprising while knowing that its founder is also one of the co-creators of Ethereum. And after we learn about the Ethereum of Japan, we must mention NEO, which is considered to be the Ethereum of China. It was founded in 2014 under the name of AntShares and was the first open source blockchain in China. In opposed to Ethereum, where you need to learn and use their unique programming language, NEO allows developers to create their applications by using their preferred programming languages among some of the leading platforms such as JavaScript, C#, and Python. And lastly for now, there is an exceptional currency that works differently but is very important to know about and how you can use it in your trading. I'm talking about Tether. This is a unique currency because even though it's a cryptocurrency, it does imitate currencies that we know from our day-to-day life. It's supposed to represent a stable value of fiat currencies and its value is taken from there. The most used one is USD Tether, symbolized as USDT. You can find it in most of the main exchanges, and basically what you need to know is that one USDT represents $1 and will stay like that. Note that the Tether can be based also on other big fiat currencies such as Euro, Japanese Yen, etc. So here is the reason why it can be helpful for you as a trader. We mentioned before that when we trade a coin, we usually do it against the Bitcoin. It can play to our advantage, especially if the altcoin is more volatile than the Bitcoin. But sometimes it doesn't, and we don't want that. Let me show you what I mean. Going back to the XRP BTC example, we can think of a scenario where the Ripple rises but Bitcoin goes up even more. As a result, the currency pair will actually drop in value and we will lose certain amount of Bitcoin. When we sell the Ripple, we will end up with a lesser amount of Bitcoins than we had before we bought it. So here is what we can do. Let's say that we still think that the Ripple will go up. However, we are not willing to take the risk of the Bitcoin's volatility. We can use the Tether. We buy some USDT and with that money we will buy the Ripple. In such case, we will be only exposed to the fluctuations of the Ripple, regardless of what the Bitcoin will do. That's it for now. I would not like to dig any further in the specifics of each cryptocurrency at the moment, as this could take an entire course by itself. But now you do have a basic understanding on some of the leading cryptocurrencies in terms of popularity and market's value. There is plenty of information online, so I encourage you to research further about any currency you want to learn more about. I will also provide you with a source list of websites where you can find valuable information. Also, Let me know if you have any specific questions or thing you want me to teach you about.